Hello everybody, hola a todos. Hoy I will present Station 6. Hoy les presentaré la estación 6. This station was more difficult because it has a lot of plywood. Esta estación fue más difícil porque tiene mucho tree ply. Here will be the stove when you cook things, and there you will wash the plates. Aquí la estufa y aquí lavatrastes. I have put epoxy on everything here, but I had a problem with that cheap epoxy to get glossy surfaces. Les puse epoxi en toda la madera, pero yo tengo un problema con el epoxi barato, porque necesitaba una epoxi con más baja viscosidad. Let's present how I did this now. Where in the boat can you find Station 6? ¿En qué parte del barco se encuentra la estación 6? Station 6 is here just before Station 7. Between Station 6 and 7 is the stove, the area where we wash the plates. La estación 6 está aquí justo antes la estación 7. Entre las estaciones 6 y 7 está la estufa y área de lavabo o fregadero. You can almost stand upright here between these areas. Entre estas áreas puedes permanecer prácticamente parado. In the drawing, the stove is here, and the washing area is here. In between will be a floor later on. En el dibujo, la estufa está aquí, el lavado está aquí. Entre medio habrá un suelo. These drawings are like 3 dimensions. You can also see Station 7 with the cabin door here. Estos dibujos son como tridimensionales. También se puede ver la estación 7 con la puerta de la cabina. Victor will now present Station 6. Victor ahora presentará la estación 6.
And we also have Station 6. Station 6 is already cut. Some of the parts are already glued together.
Some parts I will not glue everything at the same time to get the exact measure. Later on I will do the gussets and the bulkheads. Now I've done epoxy to protect the legs. I will not do glossy on the legs. I just do one painting epoxy. I made these bulkheads for Station 6. These are going to be visible. One side will be a stove, and the other side will be where you clean plates. Here I am doing epoxy of a balcony of Station 6. This is the first, it's like closed wood. Then the last one, the glossy one, will be floating. And I will do as people advises, as they say they should do. But look, this wood is really beautiful. I sand with water paper. Estoy lijando con agua, papel de agua para más suave. And this became really good. And I do the same. I will do the same with this one. Voy a hacer la misma con este. On this side, this is the back side, I only did one layer of epoxy. That's enough. On el lado atrás solo hice una capa de epoxy. Here on the front side, I did what I could to do floating epoxy. On the lado frontera yo hice flotando epoxy, pero llegó un poco mal la cosa. Yo tengo que dejar aquí. Y como está este, también tiene un poquito. So voy a tratar de lijar este también. I'll try to. These bulkheads became really nice. The pickups, the colors. I tried 3-4 times to make it glossy, and in final I got it pretty good here. Here's the bulkheads and the glosses. I tried a torch, but the torch was something wrong with the torch, but I used a brush and got it really good this time. There are some minor things, but this is good enough for me. There's some water there. Gluing the gusset. Now I will glue part for part, not all at the same time, because this is a very important station 6. And you can see I put epoxy on all parts here. Ahorita estoy pegando con epoxi parte a parte. Y yo hice todo estación 6 con epoxi. Station 6, pegando estación 6. This station, the bulkheads need to be exactly horizontal, and I measured, and I used a guide to have it straight. Esta estación, los bulkheads tienen que ser derechos en nivel de agua. Yo uso una guía para tener esta exacta medida. Puede ser 1 milímetro aquí y acá, puedes cambiarse, pero al final llegó bien, muy bien. And this became really good. I have a problem with epoxy. The epoxy I use, every part of this have epoxy, but there is not that low viscosity, so I bought a new one, but it's coming in a few days. So I put a layer on top on it. Tengo un problema con el epoxi, calidad de epoxi. Necesitas una más bajo viscosidad de epoxi. Yo compré una y viene un poco días.